Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie, folks. And it's all the way from Poland, from Cromlech in Poland, addressed to Festa Kit Basher, and obviously I've removed my address. Yes, so we've had a prezzie, folks. I've got a feeling, I could be wrong, but I think it might be from the Guru. I'm not 100% sure. The only reason I'm saying that is because Cromlech's written on it. So I'm carefully going to open it and see whether I can find any clues. So let's just slice through this plastic and let's have a lookykins, folks. So I'm carefully cutting through this. There you go. We'll turn the box round the correct way, folks, and have a looky-loo. Alright, holy moly. Wow. Let's just find something. Put the packaging in. I'm not seeing any message, so I'm assuming this is from the Guru. If I'm wrong, I'll adapt and change the video. Is there a message? It's October. There's Cromlech. There's some dye. There's absolutely zero message, so I'm going by assumption that this is from Foxx, aka the model making Guru, or Guru Foxx as he now calls himself, folks. But this is the Orc Tiger tank. Yeah, look at it, unbelievable. I'm going to show you everything in here, folks. This is what we bound on about with Cromlech. In case you're wondering, it's Cromlech bits of wood. There's a link underneath this video to the Cromlech affiliation link that I have. And remember also, as an affiliate, I do get a percentage or a little kickback from them. You pay less, but I get a teensy-weensy little commission. So let's just get all these bits out and protect them all as much as we can. There you go, folks. Big bag of resin bits there. But this is what you get. Now, people often say, oh, you know, it's a lot of money. But look at the detail on that. That is absolutely amazing. And Foxx bought one of these recently to build and paint, and I was going to get one. But I couldn't afford it because, yeah, it's very, very expensive. And, you know, if this is you, Foxx, I'm blown away, mate, because I know how much these cost. But this is what you get. You get your detailed resin moulds, and then you trim off any little excess pieces. And then that'll all build up into that. And then you get your big old Orc Tiger tracks. Look at that. But I was going to convert an existing Tiger tank model kit and try and print out loads of bits and try and do something with it. But having seen the size of this, yeah, it would have put my little 35th attempt into the shade, wouldn't it? So look at what you're getting now. Absolutely perfectly crisp diamond plate, checkerboard, all of that. And it's gonna be an absolute thing of massive beauty. All your raised checkers, all your bits and bobs on there, switch panels, and then this all interlocks like so. And then you start putting your covers on. You just trim off any excess ears, sprue gates, whatever you want to call them. and it will build up into this big massive tiger tank. It's absolutely huge, isn't it? Look at it, folks. I mean, come on, have yourself some of that. I mean, look at, I know this raises up and covers it, but oh Christ, let's try and line it up a bit better for you so you get to see what you're looking at. In case you're thinking of grabbing one yourselves, but that is massive, isn't it? And then obviously you've got all your boomsticks and all of that. Look, all the accessories, plates that go on the sides. Everything is so beautifully and highly detailed, folks. A big old boomstick there. Loads and loads of different bits of gubbins to go on there. Exhaust pipes. I mean, that alone, the weathering on that, you know, it's absolutely stunning. There's your little geezers all stood in there carrying bombs and things like that. Another little dude. But it's the little characters, and already it's the story that you can think of in your head. And I'm looking up at my ever-growing shelf of Warhammer stuff up. And I'm just seeing where this is going to fit in. And yeah, absolute thing of beauty. I get it now, Fox. Yeah. Now I know why he was raving over it so much. It was, I went and had a look, and then I scrolled down and I was like, yeah, can't get one of them. But yeah, he's gone and fought with his mate, and I'm staggered. So this is you, Fox. You're sneaky, because he said, I've sent you a couple of small figures. They're nothing great, he says, but it'll give you something to paint. And I'm like, yeah, all right then, mate, that's massively appreciated, and all of that. So I'll do you a video, and then I've opened this. So you've got me again. He said he was going to get me, and yeah, he's got me again. There's the roller, the death roller. I mean, if you get crushed under that, you stand no chance, do you? But I'm looking at all the little details and everything on it. I mean, that alone, you know, you're going to paint that off the model, ain't you? And then obviously, you know, blend it all in later on. But I'm looking at all the little bits of gubbins and accessories that are on there. This little crane, for example, very reminiscent of the Insane Blade. More panels there, folks. As you can see, this is going to build to an absolute massive kit. There's another roller mechanism there doing its thing. Actually, I think that's what the cannon goes in, isn't it? Yeah, because that's the cannon there, Carl Burke. Yeah, so these lugs here will go in the side of this. You've got a movable cannon and all. And of course, I don't get options. I think some of these are optional if you go for a particular type. You replace that with one of the other alternatives. But the deal is, when I first started doing this stuff, Fox basically said, right, you don't get options on your builds. When we started the Warhammer journey with the Baneblade, it was, you've got to put everything in that box on the one Baneblade. So I didn't get to do an Octo blade like Max McGinn. I had to put everything on the one Baneblade, hence the Insane Blade. And I think it's going to be the same with this. He's going to say, nah, you got to get everything on that Tiger. So I will. Challenge accepted. I will get everything in this box on this. So all of that lot is going to get shoehorned. Yeah, shoehorned onto this poor old Tiger tank, folks. Why not? So it is going to end up, I don't know whether it's going to be a very long, narrow dio again, Fox, but there you go, folks. Look at that. So, what can I say? The guru has struck again, and he's got me. Big thank you, mate. Don't know what to say. So, yeah, cue yourself a bit of blubbage offline, mate, but yeah, you've blown me away there, mate, at a time when things have been a bit hectic recently. Yeah, it's brought me back a little bit, mate. So thanks for thinking of me, mate. I don't think any of you realise the importance of your nice gestures and reaching out, because I do remember it. And yeah, thank you for that, mate. I'm going to leave it there because I'm getting a bit again. So remember, if you see a big chat, folks, you see us streaming together, just give him a thumbs up and a pat on the back, because he's really lifted me spirits up there, mate. So I'm going to love and leave you. Stay safe and well, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,